Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video. Today in this video, we are going to learn the double column cash book. In previous video, we have already learned the single column cash book. Now here we will learn how to prepare the double column cash book. Okay, see here, as we know that in single column cash book, only cash transactions were recording. But in double column cash book, here we will record cash and bank, both the related transactions means transactions which is related to cash and transactions which are concerned with bank. Both types of transactions will be recorded here. Now with the help of this example, we will learn how to prepare the double column cash book. This is the format of double column cash book. Here is the debit side, it means receipt side, and here is the credit side, it means payment side. Now what we have to do, first of all, here in question, cash in hand balance on 1st January 2010 is given 3500 and bank overdraft balance is given here 2300. So first of all we will write the opening balance of cash in cash column and opening balance of bank in bank column. Okay, see here, 1st January 2010 to balance BD, how much? 3500 is the cash balance. Here bank balance is given overdraft balance. Overdraft balance, it means it will be liability. Bank overdraft, remember the point here, bank overdraft is a liability for the business. So this overdraft balance will be shown into the credit side, not the debit side. So we will open the bank balance in credit side, not the debit side. We will write here on 1st January 2010 by balance BD. How much is the bank balance? 2300. Now come to the next transaction, which is goods purchased for cash on 3rd January. They are purchasing goods, so we will write here they are purchasing goods through cash. So we can record this into the cash book. If goods will be purchased on credit, if goods will be sold on credit, these types of transaction will not be recorded here. Remember the point. Purchase account through which cash, how much amount is 1200. We will write here in cash payment side 1200. Next, wages paid 200. Wages, salary, all these things are paid in cash. So we will write here also through the cash by wages account. How much is the wages? 200 through cash. Next, cash sales of rupees 8000 on 10th February. Sales in the sense cash account debit to sales account. Here receipt, we will receive the amount to sales account. How they are selling? They are selling through cash. We will receive the amount in cash column. Now the next transaction on 15 January is deposited into bank. How much? 6000. Now see here, if any cash amount will be deposited into the bank, or cash amount will be withdrawn from the bank, then for these transactions, here you are depositing cash into the bank, it means bank account debit to cash account. This entry we will pass. So this entry is known as contra entry in the cash book, because we have to show both the side, payment side as well as a receipt side. And if transaction is related to withdrawal of cash from bank, it means cash account debit to bank account. This entry also will be known as contra entry. So if transaction is related to bank to cash or cash to bank, both these entries are known as contra entry. Or sometimes it may be given that the transaction is related to bank to bank. It means one bank to another bank. Suppose you have some amount in Bank of India and you are depositing this amount into the PNB bank. So this entry will also be known as contra entry. But here you will get only two types of contra entry, which will be bank account to cash account or cash account to bank account. Means deposit of cash into the bank or withdrawal of cash from the bank. See here how we will show under the double column cash book. First of all, we will show from the payment side by bank account. What is the date? 15th January. How much cash you are depositing? You are depositing the cash balance of 6,000. We will write here 6,000. This is the payment side. Here to cash account. This is the contra entry. You can write, see here, see in the sense contra entry. You will receive this cash into your bank account. How much? 6,000. This is all about the contra entry. Now, the next transaction is sold goods for check, which was deposited into bank same day, rupees 2,000. Now, the another thing that will create problem in this double column cash book, which is check. Remember the point that if you are receiving any payment through check, then whenever you have deposited this check into the bank, on that date you will record this into your double column cash book. Suppose you got a check on 1st August like this, 1,000 rupees. But this check you are not depositing on 1st August. You are depositing this check on 5th August. So here you will record in double column cash book on which date? 5th August date, not the 1st August date. So for check point of view, if you have received the check from anyone and yet not deposited, then it will not be shown into the double column cash book. Once you have received the check and deposited, then the deposition date will be recorded in this double column cash book. So here sold goods for check was deposited into the bank same day. It means bank account debit to sales account. How much amount? 2,000. So we will write here on 22 January to sales account. How much amount is here? 2,000. Now the next transaction is paid rent by check. How much? 1,200 on 25th January. So we will write here by rent account. You are paying through how? Check. So you will have to show into the bank column, not the cash column. We will write here 1,200. Next, drew from bank for personal use. You are withdrawing from bank for personal use, not for business purpose. If you are withdrawing for personal use, it means it will be drawing account. So what entry you will pass here? For drawing account, we will make the entry which is on 28th January by drawing account. How much amount is here? 1,000 from bank, not cash. So we will show here from bank 1,000. Bought goods by check. How much? 1,000. You are purchasing goods. How much? 1,000. We will write here by purchase account. How much amount is here? 1,000. That's it. Now we have to check which side the balance is more, debit side or credit side, and we will have to balance it. Here in cash column, debit side is more balance, 11,500, and here in bank column also debit side having more balance, 8,000. We will write here as it is 11,500 and 8,000 by balance CD. How much amount will be here? 4,100. 4,100 will be here, and this side how much amount will be? 2500 will be here. So this is all about the double column cash book.